If you've had a knee replacement, you know how crucial it is to regain full knee straightening during your recovery. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 effective ways to help you achieve just that. Before we get into the exercises, I want to talk about why full knee extension is so important. Being able to fully extend your knee is essential for walking, standing, or even sitting comfortably. Without full extension, you might experience stiffness, discomfort, and difficulty with everyday activities. So let's work on getting full range of motion back. Before we get on with the exercises, I want to talk about things that could potentially be limiting your knee from extending all the way. The first thing is tightness in your hamstrings and calf muscles. Your hamstrings and calf muscles both cross the knee joint, and if they're too tight, they limit the knee from extending all the way. The second thing is weakness in your quadriceps muscles. Your quadriceps is responsible for knee extension, and a lot of times your quadriceps is very weak after surgery. And if you have a lot of weakness in your quadriceps, that limits your ability to extend your knee fully. Third is swelling. If you have too much swelling in the knee joint, you don't have enough room for that joint to move properly, and that could limit your knee extension. Fourth is stiffness in your knee joint or your patellofemoral joint, which is your kneecap. As you extend your kneecap should move up. And if there's any stiffness in that motion, that could limit your knee extension. Now, let me go ahead and show you 5 things that you can do to help improve your knee straightening. The first thing is a hamstring and a calf stretch. Lie on your back and place a strap around your foot. Pull on the strap to assist in raising your leg up for a stretch to the back of your leg. Try to keep your knee as straight as possible and make sure you feel the stretch in your hamstrings and your calf muscle. You can hold it for 10 seconds and repeat 10 times. The second exercise is a quad set. With this exercise, we're trying to target the quadriceps and make them stronger so they can help extend your knee better. Place a small towel roll under your knee. Tighten your top thigh muscle to press the back of your knee downwards while pressing onto the towel. Try to hold it for 5 seconds and you can repeat 3 sets of 10. The third thing we want to do is patellar mobilization. Mobilizing your patella will help your knee extend better. Sitting with the knee extended and muscles relaxed, place hands on either side of the knee and using fingers wrapped around the bottom, pull the kneecap so it glides up towards your hip into a light to moderate stretch. Do not compress it down towards the surface. You can repeat 2 to 3 sets of 10. The fourth thing you want to do is elevation. Now, if you have too much swelling inside the knee, it can prevent your knee from moving properly. So you want to elevate your knee above heart level. You can do this by stacking pillows underneath your heel and sit there for 10 to 15 minutes, and you can also ice it at the same time. The last thing is a knee extension stretch. While seated, prop your foot up on another chair and allow gravity to stretch your knee towards a more straightened position. You can also put a weight on top of your knee to get a greater stretch. You can hold it there for 1 to 2 minutes and you can repeat 2 to 3 times. I hope this video was beneficial in your case. If you ever have problems bending your knee, go ahead and click this video above. I'll show you 5 things to do to help you bend your knee better. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this content, please subscribe and hit the like button.